Microsoft rejected me. Twitter rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I learned how to make my resume, LinkedIn strong. Roku Inc. rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I focus more on grinding data structures. Intel rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I learn which algorithm for which type of problem. Stripe rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I learned how to write bug-free code faster and pass a coding interview. LinkedIn rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I learned how to think out loud while solving a hard problem. FedEx rejected me. Nike rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I learned how to answer a behavioral question well. Uber rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I learned how to design a high-scale distributed system. Tesla rejected me. I didn't give up, instead I learned how to design an end-to-end machine learning system. Meta offered me. Because I cracked all of coding, design, job, success, data structures their interviews. PH screen, 2 coding rounds, system design, ML design, and behavioral. Then I rejected a non-MAANG offer and gave up interviewing with other MAANGs. Because I already got my dream job at Meta as a software engineer, ML. Fail early, fail frequently, fail big. Big success comes with big failure. Sometimes you need to hear 100 no's just for one yes. Rejections are not failures until you give up. All the rejections shaped me up into what I'm today. Keep cracking DS, algo, apply, interview, fail, repeat. Soon your one day will be day one.